the fabulous Disney Mamas. And as you can see, we're in our Christmas attire because today is Christmas in July. So we're going to be doing a couple of things that we like to do in Christmas so that we can encourage you guys to do it for your holiday season that's coming up in less than 6 months. But like you normally see me on this side of the screen, today I'm not teaching you how to cook. Dunia's going to be teaching you how to cook her famous hot chocolate in a slow cooker. So
but
come
I
on.
want to.
Come on. Don't be camera shy.
You're the chef. She's the cook. I'm not, people.
I haven't made it before. She wanted to throw me under the bus and make me do it like the Forky situation. And I said, no,
But
you're going to have to do it. He was harmless.
It was still delicious.
Anyways, she's going to show us how she makes her famous slow cooker hot chocolate. And I'm just intrigued to find out because I've tasted it but never learned how to do it. So, Dunia, take it away.
I need a measuring cup. Alright guys, so like the other fabulous Disney Mama mentioned that I'll be doing the cooking today. So we're going to go ahead and get started by getting our milk ready. So we need 6 cups of milk. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring the milk into the crock pot. I already did 1 cup. I need to do 6, so I'm working on the second one now. And 6. So I did the 6 cups of milk, poured them into the crock pot. Now next I have to pour in a 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. The whole can is going to go in there. Don't be scared of the calories. It's Christmas in July. And who doesn't love condensed milk? I know I do. Again, it'll be the entire can. So I have to throw the can away because it's really messy. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands now. Okay, get back to cooking. Alright, so we did our milk, our condensed milk. Now we're going to pour in our chocolate chips. I already measured them out. It was 2 cups and this bag was 2 cups. So you don't have to measure, I just dump the bag in there. So I used dark chocolate chips. I poured them in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the crock pot. You can either use the dark chocolate or white chocolate. I really like the white chocolate. You can try either or. Alright guys, so I just poured in the chocolate chips in there. Next up, I have the heavy whipping cream. And this one's going to be 1.5 cups. So, have the heavy whipping cream. Measure it out. Put it in the crock pot. And we got all of these ingredients at Walmart. So really affordable, easy to do at home. Okay, so I already poured in the heavy whipping cream. Okay, so now we're going to add a 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that. Pour it in the crock pot. And we are done. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the crock pot. We're going to put it on low for 2 hours. We're going to mix it in. And then at 2 hours it's going to be ready. And I got the recipe from allrecipes.com. Alright, so now all we have to do is wait for it to be ready. So we'll be back soon. I'm going to go ahead and mix it in real quick just to make sure. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and stir the hot chocolate. I've been doing about every 30 minutes. So we have about 30 more minutes left on it and then it'll be ready. So I'm going to go ahead and stir. almost all the chocolate chip has been melted. So it's almost ready.
Our hot chocolate is almost ready, and I'm so excited to try.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? This is my video. Gosh, what a camera hot.
That is true. Continue, dude.
All right, guys. So the hot chocolate is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in our Christmas mug to try it out. But first, don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Fabulous Disney Mommas.
So
You ready? Let's pour
Yes.
these suckers in. So I cooked it for about 2 hours and 5 minutes. So make sure the chocolate is completely melted. And again, it's Christmas season, and you know we love food, and it's yummy. Okay.
You know what would go really good with this?
Marshmallows
Or whipped cream.
All right.
Let's try it. Ooh, this is good.
It's rich.
Very rich. Like Donald Trump. We hope you guys enjoy our video. Let us know in the comments if you tried it out. And we look forward to continue to share our Christmas recipes with you.
Okay, we'll leave the recipes down below for you to try it out.
Bye now. Hey guys, we're the Fabulous Disney Mommas, and we just wanted to let you know we're not sponsored by anyone.
Unless stated otherwise. It's like dip it. Oh, yum.
Cha-cha time.
I forgot to say it.
How's the smell doing it?
Oh, it smells so delicious and fattening. Oh, I can't say that. Smells good.
Ready?
Hang on, I gotta refrain.
Cheers. That's good.
Yeah, it's very rich.
Yeah, rich like Mickey Mouse.